warm up. Now we are gonna have fun. So. Not so much fun. So you're gonna have your partner, the one you're staying at, and you're gonna talk to him and say 2 sentences. One is going to be a lie, and the other one is going to be the truth. So we shall see how your partner knows you. So he has to guess which one is a lie. Do you understand? For example, I am Milica, I like running. The lying part is obviously that I'm Milica, that I like running. And if she knows me, she will know which one is the lie. Do you understand, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So, your friend is your partner.
Moram da se pomešate?
She said she had blonde hair and liked rapping, and she loved blonde hair.
Okay.
Well, she said that she like eat chocolate and don't like drink milk. I know that she loved to drink milk. I guess that's true.
Yes. She said she likes fashion, and she said she's a fashion designer. I knew that she's not a fashion designer. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Well, she said that she likes sport and she likes going out at night. And I said that she likes sport, but I don't.
She said that she liked dancing and she liked to learn how. And I said that she liked
Pedro said that she loves to eat chili food and that she's a girl, so I think.
Volleyball, and I think that you have to play. Video games, and I think that's
Well, Alex said that he likes alcohol, and I think that's a lie. Red Star, and I think that's true.
Well, say mathematics, and you love to play football, and I know you love to play football.
No. Irina said that she loves football club Partizan and mathematics, and I think that she don't like maths and love the football club Partizan.
Yeah. Jelena said that she loves dancing and she plays tennis. So I know her and I know that she loves dancing. Oh my God!
Rudy said that he likes basketball and he likes maths. That is. He likes maths, that is true, and he don't like basketball.
Waiting, that's a lie, and he said she likes to watch football, that's true.
Yes, you are.
My friend from Germany, he likes to play basketball and he hates maths.
Stefan said he likes to bet and he hates to wake up early, so he likes to bet. Yes.
She told me that she has a brother and she has a sister, and I think that she's a sister. And she asked me that she likes cats or she likes to have hairs, and I think she likes cats, but she likes
straight hairs.
Jelena said that she loves karaoke, that's true, and she don't like to eat. That's not true. Jelena told me that she has 3 sisters and that she plays football, but I know she has 2 sisters, so I know that she plays football for 7 or 6 years.
Well, Laura said that she's from Turkey, and that's not true. And the other thing that she said that she likes meeting new people, and that's true.
Laura told me that she has a dog, and she likes dancing. I know she has a cat, so the dog is fun. Patricia said that she likes sport and don't like to eat, and the truth is the other. She adores sleep. Me too.
Jelena said she loves mathematics and hates to eat bananas, but it's different. She loves bananas and she hates mathematics.
Jelena said she is brunette. That is obviously true, and she's wishes are modeling for Armani.
Nicola said that he is the best, one of the best goalkeepers in Nice, and that he is playing in Real Madrid. So I think